Welcome to the online classes. In the previous classes, we have come across the 10th standard syllabus. In that, we have studied about the Ballad of the Tempest as well as the poem Ballad of the Tempest, the Blind Boy, and so on. So let us go to the next topic, that is the Discovery, which is written by Herman Owl. So let us have a deep look on this that is important extract as well as the summary of the lesson. So let us have a look on this. Some important images regarding this lesson, that is the discovery.
Now let us go to the play, that is the Discovery, the magnificent voyage. On the word of the King of the Spain, Christopher Columbus, the famous navigator, took the crew of 50 members in order to discover a new land. The voyage took many days on sea. This made the seamen discontented and homesick. They drank too much and sung an ominous song to express their anger towards Columbus. Important characters and their characteristics. Christopher Columbus. He was the captain of the ship called Santa Maria. He was a tall, well-built man of 46. His hair prematurely white, complexion fair, almost ruddy, a man of quick temper and irritability. His face and response is melancholic. Next comes Pedro Gutierrez. Pedro Gutierrez, he was a senior officer. Columbus always respected him for his experience. He was loyal to Columbus. Due to some circumstances, Pedro acts disobediently to Columbus. In this play, he supports the seamen, the protest, the drinking of liquor, and also singing. Next comes Pepe. Pepe, the most important character of the play, he was a page boy. He was the youngest member of the crew. He remains loyal to Columbus throughout the voyage. When everybody doubts on Columbus, Pepe was the person who has trust in Columbus and in his caliber. He alerts Columbus with the mutinous thoughts of the seamen. He stands between Columbus and the sailors. When the desperate sailors attack on his master in many situations, we see Pepe encourages Columbus when he was heartbroken. The next character is Juan Patino. This is a very small character of the play. The play begins with Juan Patino's dialogues with Diego Garcia. They ought to stop that. The captain is always furious when he hears it. Diego Garcia, he was one among the rebel sailors. He find him talking ill of Columbus in front of Pedro in the first scene of the play. Next comes Francisco. He was also unhappy with Columbus and his voyage. He speaks in a disobedient way with Columbus. He breaks the discipline of the sailors. Next comes Guillermo Ayres. Guillermo Ayres, he was a very strong opponent of Columbus. He was one who threatens Columbus on his face. Further, he provokes the desperate sailors to attack on Columbus. Next are the seamen. Seamen, the crew was of 50 sailors except Columbus and Pepe. Rest of all sailors are shown as homesick and desperate. In order to forget their pain, they drink too heavy and sing an ominous song. In this way, they show their discontentedness towards Columbus because the voyage took long time to reach its destination, so the seamen were frustrated. Content of the play: Christopher's courage and undying faith in his voyage. The discovery of new land tested the patience of sailors of Santa Maria. As the voyage took many days on the sea, the sailors became homesick and desperate. Columbus' faith in his men was shattered. The loyalty of Pepe is very much impressive. At the end of the play, Columbus saw a flickering light at a distance. This makes the sailors to rejoice with the joy of finding a new land, that is, the new continent, America. The important questions: what is termed as his worst enemy by Columbus? Why? Who do you think has the lives of 50 in his hands? How? Based on the text, describe the physical features of Christopher Columbus. How are seamen expressing their discontentment even as Columbus can hear them? How can you say that Pepe was loyal to Columbus? Columbus is always furious when he hears the song. Here's a kegorum. Why? Why the crewmates of Columbus feels desperate? How does Pedro try to defend the drunken seamen? Was he right in defending them? Some important extract lines. Lines of Christopher Columbus. A curve for my tongue. What does the child stand between me and death? Discipline knows no buts. I will make an example of one of them. Lines of Pepe. Extracts from Pepe. Everybody doubts except me. They are horrible when they drink so much. He said the Santa Maria will be the lighter. Cowards, cowards, you will have to kill me first. Lines of Pedro. We have not all your visions, Captain. It is so, glory be to God. Some of us would welcome the coast of Spain. Lines of Diego. There are limits to patience, sir. Words for children, froth and scum, we are men, reason with us. Mutiny is an ugly word, sir. Why should one man have the lives of 50 in his hand? We are like bats trying to fly by day. Lines of Guillermo Ayres. We are men with the common feelings of men. The devils with you are, I know, driving the sincerely vain. Lines of Francisco. Discipline is a thing of past, sir. Lines of John Patino. We are simple men, sir. So dear children, these are the important detailed note and as well as the important questions and also the important extracts. So please go through this video. Thanks for watching this video.